Climate change is increasing the frequency and intensity of heat waves and power outages. Losing power during extreme heat can be dangerous, causing heat-related illnesses and deaths. Let's explore the risks of power outages during extreme heat. Increased energy demand, equipment failures, and severe weather can cause outages. When cooling devices are unavailable, this leads to dangerous indoor temperatures. It's important to note that vulnerable populations like the elderly, children, and those who are chronically ill are at higher risk. To prepare, you should have an emergency kit that includes water, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, a radio, flashlights, fans, and cooling towels. Additionally, home preparation is crucial. Install blackout curtains, seal air leaks, and maintain your air conditioner. These steps are vital for staying cool during a blackout. During a blackout in extreme heat, it's crucial to stay cool and safe. The combination of high temperatures and lack of electricity can be dangerous, especially for vulnerable populations like the elderly, children, and those with medical conditions. Remember to stay hydrated and avoid beverages like alcohol and caffeine, which can dehydrate you. Drinking plenty of water is essential, and you can also consume fruits and vegetables with high water content such as cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Wear loose, light-colored clothing to reflect the sun's rays. Dark colors absorb more heat, making you feel hotter. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton or linen, which allow your skin to stay cool and dry. During the day, keep your windows and blinds closed to block out the sun, but at night, create a cross breeze by opening them if it's cooler outside. This can help lower the indoor temperature and make sleeping more comfortable. Utilize battery-operated fans and set up makeshift cooling stations using wet towels. You can place a wet towel around your neck or on your forehead to help reduce your body temperature. Additionally, taking cool showers or baths can provide temporary relief from the heat. If it gets too hot, consider seeking out cool public spaces like malls, libraries, or designated cooling centers. These places are often air-conditioned and can provide a much-needed respite from the heat. It's also a good idea to check on neighbors, especially those who are elderly or have health issues, to ensure they are staying cool and safe. In times of extreme heat and power outages, community support becomes vital. Make sure to check on your vulnerable neighbors to ensure they are coping well. If you have backup power sources, share them if possible to help others in need. Stay informed about local resources such as cooling centers, transportation options, and where to find emergency supplies. It's also important to know the signs of heat-related illnesses and check on others regularly to prevent any health emergencies. Preparation is key to staying safe during summer power outages. Create an emergency plan, build a comprehensive kit, and fortify your home against extreme conditions. By being prepared, you not only protect yourself but also contribute to the resilience of your community. Visit preparemagazine.com and join the community. Let's stay safe and look out for each other.